Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we might have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two super easy, free, and quick ways that y'all can help support this channel. And plus, why don't we just go ahead and start this week off with a ton of smiles, all right? So leave those smiles down in the comment section below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. All right, guys, so first up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our insert schedule. And for today, September the 11th, we should be receiving a Smart Source, a Save, and also the Unilever insert is set to come out in today's Sunday newspapers. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now first up, we have a $1.25 off one for the Folgers coffee products. The lowest priced item are the small cans. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. But I wanted y'all to keep in mind that we still have that deal where you spend $10 on Folgers brand products. You're going to get a Clover Valley creamer for free. Then we also have a one-off one for the Nature Valley granola bars. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have one-off one for the Colgate toothpaste. The Max Fresh toothpaste are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. Next up, we have one-off one for the Scott bath tissue. The 12 counts are on sale this week for $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have a new one-off one for the Gain laundry products. Those are $3.50. I'm sorry, those are $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We also have a one-off one for the All or Snuggle products. Those are also on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we have 50 cents off one for the Scott paper towels. Those are now priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Moving on down, we have 3 off one for the Gain Flings, Fireworks, and the Liquid. Those are priced at $15.95. $1.50 off one for the Finish products. So you can either pick up the 24 count of the dishwasher tablets. Those are priced at $7.65. After the coupon, you'd pay $6.15. Or you can pick up the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. Those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. So pretty good deal there. Hopefully we'll get some Ibotta rebates as well. Next up, we have one-off one for the Cottonelle toilet paper. Now, this coupon usually works on the 12 packs that are priced at $5, but unfortunately, it is not right now. It is working on the 4 count of the mega rolls. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Then moving on down, we have a one-off one for the Gain liquid laundry detergent or the Bounce dryer sheets. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have 2 off one for the Dove Body Wash or the Dove Body Love Body Wash. The regular body washes are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. And I did want to go ahead and point out that we do have the same value coupon in today's Unilever insert. All right, moving down, we have 50 cents off one for the Suave deodorants. So we have the same value coupon in today's Unilever inserts as well on the Suave deodorants. Those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. And this coupon is glitching. I always consider it a glitch when it works on the smaller deodorants. So the 1.4 ounce Suave Women's Powder Scent Deodorant is priced at $1.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Alright, next up, 2 off one for the CoverGirl eye products. Those are now priced at $4.95 for the 2 count eyeliner pencils. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Moving on down, 2 off 2 for the Kotex products. Those start out at $3.65. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.30 for 2. We also have one off one for the Nivea lotion. We do have a higher value coupon though. We have a 3 off 2. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Then we also have a one off one for the Tide laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50. One off one for the Angel Soft. One off one for the Downy. One off one for the Quilted Northern. $1.50 off one for the Lysol laundry sanitizer. So go ahead and clip all of those. We have 50 cents off too for the Twix singles, the share size. Or there's another product there. If you want to pick up these 6 count minis, those are priced at $1 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. We have 1 off 1 for the extra gum, 1 off 2 for the Folgers products. We have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face. Those have went up in price to $6.75 now. So after that coupon, you'd pay $4.75. We have 50 cents off 2 for the Nature Valley granola bars. We do have that higher value coupon of 1 off 1. So I'm going to pass on that one for now. 3 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris. 1 off 1 for the Brawny. 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean Beauty products. 2 off 1 for the Garnier Nutrice. 2 off 1 for the Downy fabric softeners. Those are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $8.95. And moving on down, we have 2 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $9.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7.50. And we also have 25 cents off 1 for the Fabuloso all-purpose cleaners or the Ajax dish liquid. So the Fabulosos, those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay $3.25. And if you want to pick up the Ajax, those are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Moving on down, 1 off 1 for the Sparkle, 1 off 1 for the Tylenol. If you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have Zyrtec, Energizer, Lysol. Be on the lookout for some Ibotta rebates on Lysol products. We've had those in the past. So the sprays, they start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We also have a 2 off 1 for the adult Motrin. The 20 count is priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash. Irish Spring has went up to $5.35, and then the Soft Soap Body Wash, those are now priced at $5.25. So, big price change there. Moving on down, 3 off 1 for the Tide. Those are $15.95. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Raid products. If you want to pick up the little ant bait traps, those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay $4. 2 off 1 for the Airwick 5 count scented oil refills. Those are $11 now, so you'd pay $9 after the coupon. We also have 2 off 1 for the Ben Gay. Those are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon you'd pay $3.75. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash or bar soaps. Now we do have a higher value coupon in today's Unilever insert. So we have a 2 off 1 insert coupon. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. But if you don't get the Unilever in your area, the Dove body washes, those are priced at $6. So with this 1 off 1 coupon, plus we have a DG store coupon that will work and stack with this manufacturer coupon, it is a $2 off when you spend $6 on Dove men's products. So after both of those coupons are stacked together, that's going to leave you paying just $2. But again, the deal will be a little bit better if you have those insert coupons. Alright, moving on down, we have 125 off 1 for the Degree women's. We also have a 125 off 1 for the Degree men's deodorants that you're going to see here in just a second. Both the men's and the women's, those are both priced at $5.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.10. We have extra laundry detergent. We have 1 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. Those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, $4.75. 150 off 1 for the women's dry spray. And then we also have the same 150 off 1 for the men's dry spray. Both of those products are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Next up, 150 off 1 for the Dove dry spray or deodorants. So we do have a higher value coupon in the Unilever. It is a $2.50 off 1 for the dry spray only. It does not include the regular deodorants. So if you want to pick up the regular deodorants, those are priced at $6.50. After this coupon is applied, you're going to pay $5. But I'm going to pass on this one just because we do have that higher value coupon in the Unilever. All right, next up, Biotin. There's that 125 off 1 for the Degree men's, 1 off 1 for the Hello products, 1 off 1 for the Dove hair care products. So we do have a higher value coupon in the Unilever insert, and that is a 3 off 2. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. So the shampoos and conditioners, those start out at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 with the digital. There's the men's dry spray coupon. 150 off 1 for the Cantu hair care. I could not get this to attach to anything in the app, so we'll have to just check our stores and see what we can find. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Shea Moisture products. We do have a higher value coupon in the Unilever insert, and that is for a 5 off 2. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now, but if you only have digitals, this does work on the face wipes. Those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Alright, we've got Unisum Clairol. 1 off 1 for the Believe Beauty Spa Essentials. This works on the face masks. Those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 50 cents off 1 for the True Living Bath Tissue. Alright, now next up we have a 1 off 1 for the Suave Body Wash or Hand Soap products. Those start out at $2.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1.25. Now, if you all noticed my thumbnail on this video, I put a little question mark beside glitches because I have a feeling that this coupon might be glitching and working like the Suave glitch was a few weeks back, where we had several DG store coupons stacking and applying to some Suave body washes, right? Who all remembers that? So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'm going to run out this morning as soon as the stores open and see what I can come up with. Hopefully they are in stock and I can try a couple of different deals, but we'll just have to wait and see. The closest store to me has had a lot of problems with the self-checkout and coupons attaching, so we may have to try this at the regular register. I'm just not quite sure. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and I'll let y'all know as soon as possible, alright? Now, next up, we have buy 1 of the large Suavitel liquid fabric softeners and get the sheets for free. So you're going to pay $8.50 for both items. And then down here we have 50 cents off for the sinus products, and then we have a buy 1 get 1 50% off on the Dollar Shave Club products. So the lowest priced item that we have is a 4-count refill. Those are priced at $8.50. So if you pick up 2 of those with this coupon, you're going to pay $12.75 for 2 of the 4-count refills. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It is right down below this video. While you're at it, don't forget, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.